Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 300 2.0 Tdci 80K miles, no VAT, needs turbo repair, bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,388. MOT, the 11th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.